Hey everyone, welcome to this week's edition of Behind Closed Doors. We're doing an inspection today. You can see back there, we got pillar to post out here, and they had their ladder up. They just did their roof inspection, and they did a sewer scope, which, believe it or not, you can do from the roof if you don't want to do it out in the basement. So we got sewer scope because you got mature trees in a relatively older neighborhood, so you want to make sure that's all good. They check the roof, they check all the systems in the house just to make sure that you're making an investment that you should be making. And it's pretty much one of the more important pieces of what we do as part of the purchase process, so definitely want to get that done. You can also do radon inspections to make sure that your radon levels are where they need to be, because radon is a cancer. It's known to be a carcinogen that causes cancer. They basically check all the appliances, they check the functionality of everything, and they're going to point out things that may or may not need to be done right away, but they're going to point out everything so that you know what you're getting into. So make sure you do your inspections. I know last year people were waiving those because they thought it was a good idea to get the offer, but then they were left with big expenses that they weren't expecting. So always do an inspection. It's the right thing to do. Thanks for watching.